In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a fantastic tool for managing projects, organizing tasks, and collaborating with team members. Being able to duplicate a sheet can save you time, prevent errors, and maintain consistency across your projects. Let's walk through the process together so you can create copies of your sheets with ease. First, you'll need to locate the sheet you want to copy. Head over to your home page or navigate to the Sheets panel where all your Smartsheet files are listed. This is your central hub where you can manage and access all your sheets effortlessly. Once you've found the specific sheet you want to duplicate, it's time to take action. You have two options here. Either right-click on the sheet or click on the three-dot More Actions icon that is conveniently located next to it. This will bring up a menu with several choices for interacting with your sheet. Now, look for the option labeled Save as New. Sometimes it might be displayed as Save as New Sheet, but both options do the same thing. Selecting this will start the process of copying your sheet. At this point, you'll see a dialog box pop up. This is where you can configure your new sheet. You'll need to name your new sheet, so choose a name that clearly represents its purpose or distinguishes it from the original. Additionally, you have the option to place this newly created sheet into a specific workspace or folder, which aids in keeping your files organized. In this step, you can also adjust settings, such as sharing permissions or alerts, to ensure the new sheet aligns with your workflow and privacy requirements. Once you've configured everything to your liking, it's time to finalize the duplication process. Find the OK or Save button in the dialog and give it a click. This action will trigger Smartsheet to create a complete copy of your sheet. The magic of using Smartsheet's Save as New feature is that it makes a thorough copy, preserving all your data and structure. This includes columns, formatting, and any linked forms or reports. You'll have the peace of mind knowing that every element has been faithfully replicated, so you can proceed with your tasks without worrying about missing information or discrepancies. That's it. Easy, right? You've successfully duplicated a Smartsheet. Whether you're planning a project, setting up a new task management system, or simply preparing a template to share with others, knowing how to copy a Smartsheet can greatly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials, let me know in the comments below.